Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to create a TikTok filter. Now, the first thing that you should do is you have to download an application. Okay, so first is you have to open your web browser, and then using the search bar is you have to type out the TikTok Effect House, and then click on this first website right here, this TikTok Effect House, and you'd be redirected to this page. Now you just have to download this app. So you just have to click on this download effect house option, this one at the center, and then you'll be able to see this download for Windows. So we just click on this option, and then it will begin to download the file. And once the file is downloaded, you just have to locate it in your folder or to your download folder, and then install it on your device. And once you're done installing the app, you're gonna begin to use it and create your TikTok filter. So just click on this install now button and just wait for a couple of seconds. And right here, you can now log in with your TikTok account. So you have to open your TikTok mobile app, and then on your profile, you just have to tap on the add friends, and then tap the scan button, and then scan this QR code, and you'll be able to log in using your TikTok account. Okay, right here, just have to click on continue, and then just click on continue once again, and then click on open. Now you have successfully signed in on TikTok Effect House. Right here, just have to begin. Now just click on let's go. And then right here at the left side, you'd be able to see here the templates option for the effects. You also have here the recent projects and the learning resources. So when you go to the templates, you'll be able to see here different templates that you can use for your TikTok effects. So you have the face, the screen, the body, the interactive, the world, the audio, and the community creator. So when you go to the face, you'd be able to see here effects that you can use, but you can also create your own project since that is our main goal. So just click on create project, and then now this page will open. Now when you click on this button right here, you'd be able to see this different options for face. You have the nodding face, you also have here the adult person, and you also have the body. Now let's just focus on the face filter for this video. So right here at the top, you'll be able to see different options for face sticker. You also have here filters that you can use. So let's go ahead and use some of the filters, and you can adjust the exposure, the contrast for the color correction, and you can also copy or apply assets. So when you click on the assets, you'll be able to apply your assets right here. You can also adjust or choose your bright texture right here. And for the intensity, you can also adjust this one from 100% to 0%. And for the color correction, as I have mentioned, you also have here the exposure, the contrast, the brightness, the saturation, the temperature, and the tint. So you just have to drag this cursor to your left or to your right to adjust this color correction. So for this TikTok filter, I want to add a post effects. So just click on this post effects right here at the top beside the filter and the face insert option. And then I would like to add a bling or a bloom. So just click on the bloom option, and as you can see, this is how your filter will look. And then just adjust the threshold option, and for the soft knee, you also have to adjust it, and for the color you can also change it if you want to. And if you'd like to add some makeup, then just have to click on this makeup button right here, and you have the face mask, the eye effect, the lip effect, the eye color, and hair segmentation. So for example, you want to add an eye effect, so you just have to click on it, and as you can see, we have successfully added our eye effect right here. Okay, so you've got a bunch of options right here at the top, so you can explore any of this depending on the filter that you want to achieve for your TikTok. And also, if you want to add a background for this TikTok filter, is you just have to go to the portrait segmentation option. So just click on this one right here, and then you have to select your background or your segmentation. You can also upload from your computer, or can simply, search on Google or Pinterest for effects or filter that you can use. So for example, we are going to visit the Pinterest website, and you have to log in with your account and be able to see here different options. So if you want to search for a specific effect or filter, so just type out filter using the search bar at the top, and right here be able to see filter in face. So I would like to use this one, so you just have to download this picture from Pinterest. So just copy this image or save this image, and then you have to download it and put it in a folder where you can find it directly. Now going back to the TikTok effect house, is you just have to import and then click on from computer, and you have to locate the photo that we have downloaded from Pinterest, and right here just have to drag the photo to adjust it, and we are going to use the ears of this filter. So simply drag it and place it perfectly. And once you've done that, you just have to right click this background button right here at the left side of your screen, and then click on the add object option, and then make sure to choose the face effects or the pose effects. You also have here the AR tracking or the 3D, so you can choose any of this. You also have here the segmentation, so I'm going to choose a filter. So I just want to achieve this very simple TikTok filter, and once you finalize your filter and you don't have to add any elements, is you just have to preview this in TikTok if you want to, or you can just simply click on submit to save this to your TikTok. So just click on this submit button right here at the top right, and then once you're done, just have to publish the effect. Of course, you have to add here the effect icon, so choose your icon over here, and then once you're done choosing your icon, is you have to add the effect name. So you have to use a name that best describes your effect. Right here you can also add a hint, so this is optional, so you can leave this one as it is, but I'm going to add the hint for this one, show face. So for the challenge, you just have to click on none, and for the category, you can also choose a category for this filter. And then if you want to upload a demo video right here, you can also do that. So this is optional as well. And then once you finalize the details for your filter, is you just have to simply click on next, and then just click on submit. So right here, now your effect has been submitted, so you just have to wait because they're going to notify you once they finish reviewing your effects. So the review process usually takes 1 to 3 business days. You just have to wait. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.